Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I will show you this pattern. It's beautiful and super quick and super easy pattern. Even beginner can make this pattern. So you can make baby's dress, cardigan, poncho, so many things with this pattern. It's so beautiful. I hope you will love this pattern. I will show you. So I'm gonna show you in different color. So it's so easy. I'm gonna make a bit small model for this pattern. This size I made, you can make with this number. I made 43 chains for this pattern. So I'm gonna make small model for this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you can make 6 I made 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So I have 18. I'm gonna plus one more. You can't make with this number, just make 18. I plus 1. So this I made 43 chains. So you can make 24 then when with one chain. So first row with single, with single crochet. Super easy pattern. This is last one. So I have 18 single crochet. So chain 3. So here I'm gonna count this one as well. 1 2, skip 2 in third, make 5 double crochet 2 3 4, then 5, then yarn over 1 2, skip again third, make 1 double crochet, again still skip 2 in third, make 5 double crochet. Sorry. So this pattern just in one row. It's super quick, super easy. Even beginner can make this pattern. 1 2 in third, make 1 1 2 in third, make this fan 5 double crochet, 4 5. So I have 3 stitches left. 1 2 in third, last one, make double crochet. So you can see how quick is it. Chain 3, always yarn over again to this side, to this side in the fifth. 1 2 3, third one from here in the middle one, 2 here 2 here. So make again same one. So just repeat this pattern. 4 5 in top of this one, again 1 2 in third, middle one, make fan 2 3 4 So 5 here, 1 2 and third make pen, 2 3 4 5. So yarn over at the end, make so continue like this pattern, chain 3 again here, same, just repeat. So this just in one row, 4 5, top of this 1, again middle one, top of the middle one, 1 2 3 4, then 5, again this top of 1, in the middle, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see continue like this. So no point to make a long video. I made this like this. So I hope you will love this pattern. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. No point to just same this.